Hello and welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how to know your business profits, manage and document your business finances better. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria Sholadrem 247, we will be looking at for those who are into service-based jobs. This video is for you. Make sure you watch from the beginning till the end so as to understand how to go about it for a proper bookkeeping. Let's go straight into it. All you need to do is log in into your Zoho account. So let's go straight into how you can set up your services items. All you need to do is to also come down to this place where you have item, click on item and click on the plus sign. So you come right down to where you have services. Since you are rendering service, you input the name of the service you render. Let's assume you render house cleaning service, so you just input it, house cleaning service, house cleaning. Then you select which unit category does this fall into. You input the price is 20k. Then your sales, so you input the description here. Maybe it should be 1 day house cleaning service. That is it. Then you click on save. The item has been added. That is for the service. Go again to item and click on plus sign for you to input another service that you render. That is how you input it gradually. So you can see it has added house cleaning to it for us. Then you come here again and input another service. Click on service business registration service. You input the unit here, PCS, which is pieces one. Our price is based on one service, so here you input 35,000 naira. It's also sales, that is the selling price. Then you input a full description here, CAC registration for business name. Then you go down and click on save. It has saved. The item has been added for us. Then you go again and input another service that you render. So this is how you input your service. Click on the plus sign and continue to input. You make sure you don't forget that you don't use goods icon for service icon. So you should know by now if you are rendering a service or you are selling a good before you proceed to set up your items. So for the service, you come to service again and continue to fill it up. Let's put this, okay. So if it's showing you this interface, let me explain this. You just need to just click on this plus new that is down here for you to open the new space to set in your service. Then you click on service, you input the service, CAC company registration, you impute the unit of it, you move to 1 pieces, then you move to the price, 55,000. I said it earlier that you should not add comma to this. Let's add comma to this thing so that you will see what I'm saying that it will give you. I said that it will round it up to round figure for you. So it sales, then let's say company registration. Then you click on save. Come down and click on save. You're going to see what it will give you. You can see that it says was the selling price is 0.00, simply because we added that comma to it. So those of you that are saying you are not getting what you are setting up, this is what you will be getting if you are adding comma or full stop to the first number on your setup page. So when you are setting up the item, don't add any comma or full stop to it. Just type the actual amount and it's going to bring it out for you right here. Let's go again and see what I'm saying for you to understand properly. Services, CAC, company registration, per one service, sales, the price 55,000. You can see I did not add anything to this one now. Then you come to the description and input your description. Then on save, and it will save up for you. You can see, yeah, because I already have something like that. That is why it's giving me this money option. But here now, you see that it shows the actual amount because I did not add comma to it. I did not have full stop to my 55. I just imputed it straight. So that is how you fix this for those that are saying their own is not bringing out the amount they impute. So if you are just watching this video, make sure you watch it and understand what you need to put in place before you proceed. That is that about that, how you fix in your services and your goods on the Zoho Book app. If you are yet to like this video, make sure you like it, drop your comment, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop other videos. In the next video, we will move to how we can set up our sales page. You can see on the sales page we have customers, we have quote, we have invoice, we have sales receipts, we have recurring invoice, we have payments, and we have payments received, we have credit notes. So all of this will be taking it one after the other on the Zoho app for bookkeeping purpose and for proper record keeping. Let's go to the next video.